Nitrate is a common inorganic form of nitrogen. Chemically, it is an anion with a single negative charge, consisting of one atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of oxygen. Because it is an anion, it is soluble in water. Plants normally use nitrate as their source of the nitrogen needed by all living things, and so nitrate is considered a nutrient for plants. Farmers have been applying nitrogen to their fields for many years, but excessive concentrations of nitrate in lakes and streams, greater than about 5 milligrams per liter, depending on the water body, can cause excessive growth of algae and other plants. It also leads to dead zones, such as the ones that are found in the Gulf of Mexico. Animals and humans cannot use inorganic forms of nitrogen, so nitrate is not a nutrient for us like it is for plants. If nitrate exceeds 10 milligrams per liter in drinking water, it can cause a condition referred to as blue baby syndrome in infants. Some recent studies have indicated possible connection between elevated nitrate concentrations and cancer. Nitrate can get into water directly as the result of runoff of fertilizers containing nitrate, which comes from fields. Nitrate standards take 2 forms: drinking water standards, designed to prevent adverse human health effects, and ambient water standards, designed to prevent excessive eutrophication in lakes and streams. Drinking water standards for nitrate have been around since at least 1974, when the Safe Drinking Water Act was passed, and probably well before. States may set their own drinking water standard for nitrate, but most or all use the EPA standard of 10 milligrams per liter, measured as nitrogen. Ambient water standards have also been around for years, but each state decided on what standards to use, if any. The EPA is just now settling guidelines for determination of ambient nitrate standards for different water bodies in different regions. The deficiency in the amount of oxygen reaching the tissues, also referred to as hypoxia, is an issue in the northern Gulf of Mexico, which is connected to nitrogen runoff from farmland, even all the way up from Illinois. Over time, nitrogen runoff from farmland in Illinois and various other states has become an issue in the agriculture industry. This is caused by practices that do not acknowledge this problem and can be prevented in various ways. Through their efforts, the Champaign County Soil and Water Conservation District strives to improve soil and water quality in Champaign County, Illinois. The Champaign County Soil and Water Conservation District's vision statement is a productive community in harmony with a quality environment. This ties into having a clean environment, whether it is soil quality or water quality. The issue of nitrogen runoff is very tightly connected with the organization because there's a group of them working on the problem of the hypoxia in the Gulf of Mexico and what farmers can do to be a part of the solution. The goal here is solving the issue and finding a way to get the stakeholders and audience members involved and informed. All governmental interventions and lobbyist groups seem to be working towards the same goal: preventing and decreasing the amount of nitrogen runoff from farmland, and working to clean the hypoxia issues in the Gulf of Mexico. The key desired goal here is to get practices that contribute to less runoff accepted throughout Champaign County. The Champaign County Soil and Water Conservation District is committed to finding ways to help people conserve, improve, and sustain our natural resources and environment. Champaign County is a known leader in agricultural production because it possesses some of the most productive soils in the world. The Champaign County Soil and Water Conservation District is committed to the application of conservation practices on land for long-term sustainability of our natural resource use. While meeting the demands of food and fiber production, they work to improve water quality, soil erosion control, prime farmland protection, water management, wildlife habitat, education, and natural resource data, by giving the public information and the opportunity to participate. In the end, they're just trying to leave a legacy that benefits future generations.